How to connect credit card with your PayPal account. In this video, I will show you how can you easily link your credit card with your PayPal account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open PayPal application or go to its official website. After that, at the top menu, you will see the option of wallet. Simply click on it and choose the option of link card at the top left corner. Once you do so, you will be directed to this page where you need to provide your card details. Once you provide your detail, click on link card. After that, you will see the details of your card. Now all you need to do is confirm your credit card details. Once your card details are confirmed, you are good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can link your credit card with your PayPal account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.